guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be adding another product to my business, Goddess of Herbs. You guys can check out that link right there, and I'll put it in the description below, where I make and sell herbal remedies and natural products as well as crystals and jewelry. My business has been booming, so I've been expanding. I recently added 25 new herbs. I'm adding a couple more new products. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make powdered milk drinks. Somebody here in the homestead that I'm staying at introduced me to these drinks, and I absolutely fell in love with them, so I thought it would be a great idea to add them to my shop. I have at least 1 or 2 cups of this a day. It is that good. One of these containers makes 20 servings, so all you need is a teaspoon and a little bit of almond milk or coconut milk or a milk of your choice, and then sweeten with a sweetener of your choice. My preference would be maple syrup or honey. We're going to be making some samples, so those will be going out in orders as well for people to try it before they buy it. These include Hot and Spicy Cacao mix, golden milk, which is made of turmeric and some other spices, as well as Matcha Green Tea mix. We are going to start right away. The first thing we are going to do is I'm actually going to take my personal milk stuff and we're going to make a drink, so I can show you how easy it is to make on the stove and a couple of the tips that you need to know to make it come out really great. I prefer more natural sweeteners like maple syrup or honey rather than sugar. Here is our setup. We are going to be using the jars over here. We're making 3 of each. I'm going to be using those glass square rectangular bowls to mix them in because I don't have bigger bowls. We're going to be using those spices to add to our powdered milk drinks. Those are the main ingredients back there. Now we're going to set up sample containers for the Hot and Spicy Cacao mix. I went ahead and made another batch for the samples because there wasn't enough. Each one of these is a teaspoon, so the person getting the free sample, all they have to do is dump the contents into the pot with the milk. It has a hot cayenne pepper kick. It is so freaking good. Now we are going to be making the Matcha Green Tea mix. I'm making 2 batches again. This one is really tasty too. You can mix it with water or milk. I prefer to mix it with almond milk. I don't drink milk myself, but I choose the almond milk. Now we are going to be making the golden milk. Almost empty. I think it's so good. Sample time. Now we're going to put labels on them, which are already done up for us. Lots of benefits to these milk powder drinks, so if you guys want to check them out, I'm going to leave their link in the description below so that you guys can try them yourself. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. A new product that has launched at Goddess of Herbs, my company. Shadow, what do you see? Mix, and then as well as jewelries. You guys can check out that video. You guys can check out that link right here.